Want to know how to get or buy a domain in WordPress? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. Now, first things first, simply open up WordPress.com. Now, once you're under WordPress.com, simply head towards your current WP admin or the dashboard of your credit website. Now, once you're there, here you can just simply head towards My Home right here. Now, since you want to buy a domain, you can just simply select My Home. And once My Home loads, here once you scroll down a little bit, you should be seeing your website name or your domain name right here. So this is a free trial, so our domain name has not been bought. So in order to get a domain, you can just simply select get this domain, or you can just search for domain to search for a similar one. So you can just simply select get this domain right here, and once that is done, here you can just simply select a plan. You can just continue with the free plan, or just simply select any plan which will help you in a lot. That is 60 GB storage and much more as we way through it. So make sure you just simply take in one of these plan right here, and after that is done, your domain will reset. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.